Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the audio you want to fix. Select the clip and duplicate the track so you can compare results. Next, apply denoise from effects or tag the clip as dialogue in essential sound and enable repair reduce noise. This gives you a fast, non-destructive first pass. If the noise is consistent, make sure to send the clip to Adobe Audition. There you can capture a noise print, which allows much more surgical removal. Once done, save and return to Premiere to continue. Now you focus on the middle work, balancing noise reduction against audio quality. In Premiere's denoise or essential sound sliders, lower reduction to avoid metallic artifacts and raise preserve speech to protect consonants. If in Audition, capture a representative noise print and use noise reduction process. Adjust FFT size and reduction slider while monitoring speech. Also add a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, and use subtle multi-band compression for level consistency. Make sure to preview in context, then apply changes. Finish by a /B comparing the processed audio to the original. Solo and toggle the clean clip so you can hear differences. Render audio before export to avoid playback glitches, and confirm sample rate matches your sequence, typically 48 kHz. Export using AAC for compressed delivery or PCM for highest quality. Check peaks, don't clip, and apply normalize if required. If you hear warbling or underwater artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount, recapture a more accurate noise print, or perform targeted spectral repair in Audition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.